So welcome guys to this tutorial. I just want to discuss a few things about the basic features and most important features of the Arduino Uno so that you get to know this board better as you use it. So first, how do you power Arduino? Arduino is powered through three ways. You can power it through a USB cable. This one, USB AB, yeah, and it is the same cable that is used for programming. Also, you can power it through this DC jack pin using 9 to 12 volts, and there's a regulator here which is 5 volts. Also, there's another way of powering. If you check here, there's a pin called V in, that is voltage in, so you can power it through that. Then at times when you connect other modules that require to be powered, you can power them with 5 volts. Others are restricted to 3 volts, so you connect your jumper wires here. So when you're feeding in Arduino with an external power supply, you can connect the positive V in here, then the ground over here. The 3.3 volts is generated by the FTDI chip on this end. Then how do you connect your sensors? First, we have two classes of sensors. We have digital and analog. The analog sensors are connected on this analog channel here, which runs from A0 to A5. So you have at least 6 pins to connect your sensors over there. Then the digital ones are connected on this side where we have 0 to 12 to 13, but then you're supposed to restrict connection of 0, 1 because these two pins are used for serial communication. So unless you have used all the other pins here, you can exclude these two pins. Down here is the insect programming headers. So these ones are for programming. When you want to program another microcontroller from this end, you connect using these headers, and that is something we can break down in another tutorial. Again, we have analog reference, and we have reset, we have input reference. So analog reference is for referencing voltages. When you are, for instance, you're connecting sensor here, you can reference your reference voltage using this pin. So you connect the reference voltage on that one. Yeah, basically those are the main things. We have the microcontroller itself is here, the FTDI chip for programming, and the crystal oscillator. So basically those are the main things that you're supposed to know. So in the next tutorial, I will be showing you a connection between Arduino and analog and also some other digital sensors, so then we get to understand how this microcontroller board is very useful, and we will later be going deep into Internet of Things, the Wi-Fi connections, server, and all that. So stay tuned to this channel, subscribe and comment. Also contact us if you need any kind of design for this kind of projects, the Internet of Things. Comment in the section below, and you can also contact us through the attached email or our WhatsApp phone number. So goodbye and thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.